Each induction has a number of individual settings. They can be edited by clicking on the Settings button just here. Let's go through them. In the description area, you can specify who this induction is for. For example, for full-time employees or for contractors. Let's say this course is designed for contractors, so let's type that in. Now the next area is your industry. You can leave it as is, or you can choose from any other available industry. Next, we have the option to force inductees to select a correct answer. When this is set to on, inductees won't be able to fail your quiz. If they choose a wrong answer, a pop-up message gets displayed notifying them that the answer is incorrect, and they'll have to try again until they get it right. When forcing to select correct answer is off, the induction can only be passed if your inductee's quiz score is equal or above a pass percentage, which can be set in this area, just above the overwrite time to complete. Next up is Send Notification on Completion. When this is activated, the system sends out an email notification to all admins, project managers, and site supervisors for this induction, with a copy of completed certificates or ID cards. The same applies to sending notification on fail. All levels of your admins are notified when a user fails their induction. The next function lets your inductees retry their induction straight away if they failed it. When this function is deactivated, inductees are not able to retry failed inductions unless your admins send them an invite. Force inductees to upload photo makes it mandatory for all users to provide their photo during this induction. This induction cannot be completed unless a photo is provided. Send copy of induction on completion sends a copy of the induction content without questions and answers to your inductees, along with their certificate of completion. The auto reinvite inductees on expiration function keeps track of user induction expiration date when on, and generates an automated invite that gets sent out to your user when their current induction gets close to being expired. This function gets deactivated for users whose profiles get archived. Capture inductee address makes it mandatory for all users doing this induction to provide their address. Capture inductee emergency contacts makes it mandatory for all users doing this induction to provide their emergency contacts. Multiple entries can be entered. Show in Induction portal lets your users enter their induction through a self-registration portal to see this induction. If Show in Induction portal is set to off, this induction becomes invisible to all users except for admin users. This function is particularly handy when your admins are working on creating new induction content, and they don't want the induction to be visible to inductees. Pass percentage sets the pass score for the induction. When force inductee to select a correct answer is on, pass percentages are negated. Overwrite time to complete lets you overwrite an estimated time to complete the induction. And the last setting here allows you to set an expiration date for the induction, anywhere from 6 months up to 5 years. Normally, this setting is set between 1 to 2 years, depending on the industry you're in. On the next help page, we're going to show you how to convert and upload PowerPoint-based inductions. Thanks for watching and happy inducting!